Copyright law in Nepal. What is the Copyright Act 2002 in Nepal? Copyright Act 2002-2059 is the copyright law in Nepal enacted to update and refurbish legal provisions concerning copyrights in Nepal. The Copyright Act 2002 Copyright Act covers the fundamental aspects of copyright law in Nepal, including substantial provisions on acquisition and protection of copyright. Further, it explores the economic and moral rights of copyright work and the rights allocated to all relevant copyright owners. It also provides for the term of protection of copyright. What do you mean by copyright? Copyright is the registrable ownership of a work that provides privileged exclusive rights to the original creator over the intellectual property. It legally protects the unauthorized application of intellectual property from unauthorized use. Copyright extends to the following works: 1. Audiovisual work, 2. Photographic work, 3. Sound recording, 4. Performance, 5. Intellectual and original creation include books, plays, music, designs, fine arts, articles, photographs, applied art, illustrations, maps, and computer programs. What are the major provisions of the copyright law in Nepal? The major provisions of the Copyright Act are as follows: 1. Acquisition and protection, 2. Copyright ownership and rights, 3. Terms of protection, 4. Use of copyright materials, 5. Transfer of copyright, 6. Copyright infringement and punishment. How can I get copyright in Nepal? The step-by-step procedure for getting online copyright in Nepal is as follows. Step 1. Registration of individual at the official website of Nepal Copyright Registrar's Office. Step 2. Submission of online application form, including citizenship certificate front and back. Step 3. Window period of copyright examination. Step 4. Completion of copyright registration. The process of copyright registration in Nepal are: Step 1. Prepare the application to submit to the Nepal Copyright Registrar's Office. Step 2. Formal submission of application. Step 3. Examination of copyright. Step 4. Copyright registration. How do I get copyright permission? Copyright permission is not required for using the work for personal uses without violating the economic rights of the copyright owner. To use the copyrighted work for purpose other than the permitted purposes, a person can contact the original copyright owner and conclude an agreement. What are the additional laws regarding copyright in Nepal? As for the gravity of the offense, the penalty for general violation of copyright law in Nepal is fine of NPR 5,000 to NPR 50,000. For the first-time violation of copyright law in Nepal, the offender is imprisoned for up to 6 months and fine of up to NPR 1 lakh. For subsequent violations, Copyright Act provides for the fine of up to NPR 2 lakh and imprisonment for up to 1 year. What is the period of copyright in Nepal? For the original creator, the copyright in Nepal is protected throughout the life of the author and in case of death until 50 years computed from the year of their death.